Hi everyone, welcome to Trisapphire E-vids. Today we are going to see about join, trim, stretch, extend, fillet and chamfer. Command J. If I am having two polylines, command is J. Select the source object, second object. Press enter. Next we are going to see about trim. If I am having a room of space 10,000 mm by 5,000 mm, the wall thickness is 200 mm, press offset O, mention 200, the polyline, mention it outside and say from here I need another room 6 meters by 4 meters. This will be the inside of the room. Now offset it outside. Here you can see at these locations these lines are interfering with our vision. I want to trim these lines. So command is TARM or simply TR. Select the objects. Press enter. Now select the locations which you want to trim. This I want to trim. This I want to trim. Now do the same here also. Same command TR. Select the area. Press enter. Select the unwanted locations. Press enter. Stretching polylines. I have marked here. See, these are the ends of the polyline which I want to stretch from this marked location to this mark. The command is stretch. Select this area. Press enter. It will be asking you the base point. Select this point. It will ask you where to stretch it. Mention this point. Instead of stretching this location, if I want to stretch this whole area, including this polyline also, that is also possible. Same command stretch. Select this area. Mention the base point. Mention the end point. Extend. This is like easiest form of command stretch. See, I want to extend these two polylines till this polyline. Command EX. Select the object till where you want to extend. This one. Press enter. Select the object you want to extend. Object 1 and object 2. Enter. Next we are going to see about fillet. Command is F. Fillet is nothing but connecting two lines at corners. See, the default setting is radius is 0, which means if I am selecting the first polyline edge and the second polyline edge, they will be connecting without any arc, without any radius. Let us try with some radius. F. I want to change the radius. Instead of 0, select some distance. 0 to say 350. Select the first one. Select the first line. Select the second line. You can see a smooth arc is created having a radius of 350. Last we are going to see about chamfer. Chamfering is nothing but tapering the edge of an object. The command is chamfer. Select the distance you want. Say I want from here 1000 mm and from here 1000 mm. 1000 for the first chamfer, first line, and then second chamfer 1000. Select the first line, select the second line. So a chamfer has been made for a distance of 1000 and 1000 on both sides. Say if I want to do it with the uneven taper, again chamfer, distance D, first distance, here I want 1000, enter, but here I want 2000. First line, second line. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to Trisapphire E-vids.